That's all I'm doing. Just to show the size of them before I put water in them. Finished?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see what. First of all, let's see how they swallow. This is what you're supposed to use them for. You put water in. Well, they're not. You put them in plants, and they suck up the water from the soil. Let's see what happens when you put water in it. Can you take a picture now? Tell me when. Okay. It's supposed to expand to about 10 times their size. And they are expanding because they're absorbing the water. Look at that. The stuff they have in Pampers actually does absorbs much faster. It's the same sort of stuff in Pampers. It absorbs the urine. Let's see if it absorbs the water that I just put in. Let's see how much it will absorb. There we go. These are very slow. Still has water on it. See what the individual particles look like. That's one particle. See all of these things are all expanded. Think it'll take more water? Is there still water here? Put a little more water in. course, the individual particles are very mushy. Here you can squeeze them. As you squeeze them, you get the water out of them. Oh well, let's put a little bit more in. Absorb the water. picture. Pampers are more dramatic. You poured like 5 cups of water into a pamper, and it just expanded. And it was like a 1/4 of an inch thick to start with. It ended up being like this. And then I crashed a weight on top of it to see what would happen. So now this is, look at this. It was just a little bit down on the bottom, remember? I wonder how much more it'll take. Should get around, stand here. Over here. Oh, there's the ones on the bottom maybe if we mix them. Well, there were some on the bottom. Oh, I see, we should mix them. Then you get more water in it. It will absorb more water. Let's put, and we can put more. I'm looking on the wrong shelf. Somewhere in the middle of that. This one wrong. Maybe it's on the shelf above it. No, I don't think it's there. I think it is on the shelf where I'm looking. Oh, there it is. Okay, thank you. Let's put these things back. Okay, so now we're going to mix in some water and baking soda. Make sure we get enough water. We'll just mix it into this. Open here. Okay, so we're going to it's only if I see something dramatic, it's going to see if it swells a lot more by putting baking soda in here. Is it swelling more? Or is that just from the water? Oh no, it's still rising. Look at that. Let's put a little more. Let's do a little more of this. I think it does make it swell more, but it's hard to really tell because you can see it's still sort of swelling. So what do you think? You think the baking soda made it swell more? Or it's just from absorbing the water? It's hard to tell. It's just from the water. I noticed it was sort of rising as soon as I put the stuff in.
But there was more water in it.
That too. Let me just pour a little bit on the top and see what happens. A little bit. To mix with the stuff on the bottom. And the question is it can I get it out of the glass and into the, mix it. Oh, the big cups aren't there. There's something on the bottom that hasn't gotten mixed. So let's see if a little bit of baking soda on this. The trouble with baking soda is it sticks together. It's okay, it's enough.
And also when you mix it, you bring it up. You adjust the level.
Well, I bring
You
it up.
mix.
No, I get the stuff that's on the bottom. Some of it hasn't really mixed in with water.
Everything goes higher up, also.
It's sort of a slurry. It's got water in it. So I need another cup.
Do you have a spoon?
No, I'll just take it out of my hand. Well, this is what they look like. It started as the little grains, and now they're these. This is one of the particles. But it's not clear whether the baking soda really made them. That was the main thing I wanted to see, whether the baking soda would make them expand. See whether they dry out. Water in. They really filled this thing up, haven't they? So it makes a mush. Look at that. See what they look like now? Each of the individual ones is swollen up. It's like mushing. Now, whether this can go down the drain is another story. That's how do you get rid of it? I'm not sure I want to get rid of it. I want to like put it into a paper cup and just hold on to it for a while. Put it in the glass because I want to see what's going on. Now, I wonder if it'll do better if I put baking soda in. Some water and baking soda. Put some water and baking soda into it. The baking soda, not popcorn.